Nikki, the Domestic Diva here, and I'm going to talk to you today about sweeping your baseboards. I know we're in the middle of COVID and I've got to wear this mask and you can't get to see what I'm saying, but hopefully you can hear me. So when you're sweeping the baseboards, you're going to clean the tops, clean the sides. Sweeping the baseboards, you don't have to always wash your baseboards if you take the time to sweep them from time to time. And you also, at the same time, will do your sweeping of your edges. It makes for a much better sweep when it's time to sweep. And you always want to sweep your baseboards before you actually sweep your floors, because after the fact, well, then you're going to have to sweep your floors again. So, again, we're just going to go around sweeping the edges. This is a mud room, so these probably benefit better from a spotlight too. And you also want to use a stiff broom. If your broom is too soft, you won't do this job well. So you have to make sure that you have a stiff broom, that the bristles just don't fold up on you, or else you'll never get anything accomplished. Can't forget those little pieces of baseboard. It's real small, but it can get real nasty because it's by the door. You see this technique when you're pushing? That's usually best reserved for these corners because it really helps get the corner dirt. It's on the baseboards, and then you're going to come back and sweep the floors after you're finished with your baseboards. But along the way, you do pull out trash out the corners as you go. Sweep around the edges of the carpet. It makes a big difference, especially when it's time to vacuum. Whatever little debris is in those edges, you pull up too. So that is how you sweep your baseboards, friends. As stated before, sweeping them regularly can avoid an all-out washing of them, which is time-consuming and will be demonstrated in another video. It's been fun showing you all how to do this chore, and I think my client appreciated us using our house for today's tutorial. For more videos like this, subscribe to and like our YouTube channel, Diva 1, the Domestic Diva. Have a great day!